Hello everyone and welcome to EduFD. So in this video, we will do some MCQ questions of class 7 science chapter number 4 heat. So we have done some questions of this chapter in our previous video which was our part 1 video, and this is our part 2. So if you have missed that video, you can go and see that video, so stay tuned. So the first question is, how many distinct modes of heat transfer are there? So the main question is, how many different modes of heat transfer are there? Distinct means different. So 2, 3, 1 and 5. So we all know that there are 3, but do you know what are they? Let me tell you. So there are 3 modes of heat transfer, which is, first is conduction, second is convection, and the third one is radiation. Whether you can note it somewhere or you can take a screenshot of it to remember. So in all we can say that there are 3 types or 3 modes. Okay, let's go to the question. B does it correct. Next is, on account of the temperature difference between between two bodies in contact, the transfer of which physical quantity takes place between the body. So whenever you will put two bodies, so you will observe that the heat transfer happens in them. So options are heat, potential difference, mass. No, none of the above. So the answer is heat. Next, name a process by which heat is transferred in solid. So if you have read the chapter, you should know that the process that the heat transfer in solids is done by process of conduction. Next, in which of the given process of heat transfer no medium is required. So they are asking that there are 3 process of heat transfer, in which one of them doesn't require any medium for heat transfer. So conduction required, radiation no, convection yes, it also required. So the answer is radiation. Next question is, a cup of hot milk on a metal table in a room loses heat by conduction, convection, radiation, or all of the above. So if you will try this activity, you will observe that it does heat transfer from conduction, convection, radiation, all of these. So the answer is all of the above. Next, a cooking pot is coated black because black surfaces are easy to clean, black surfaces absorb more heat, black surface would not damage the material of the cooking pot, black surface would absorb less heat. So if you have read the properties of black color, so you should know that our elders says us that don't wear black clothes in summer because they absorb more heat. That's why the answer is B. Next, which of the following is fastest process of heat transfer? Conduction, radiation, convection, insulation. So you have seen that in conduction, yes, it also happens. Convection is also fast, but radiation is fastest. Why? Because whenever you see there is a sun, suppose there is a sun and there is a people or a person. He was going on, and you can see whenever suppose first he was. So yes, so he was in house first. In his house, suppose this is his house. He was in his house first. When he came out, and he was going on. So suppose in 1 second he came out, he will get the heat of the sun in his body. So this is the very fastest way of heat transfer. That's why the answer is radiation. Next, which thermometer is used at home for measuring the temperature of human body? Remember, read this carefully that it is used for human body or laboratory lab thing or for measuring weather. So you should know this. This is here is written human weight, so the answer is of course clinical thermometer, but the options are clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, both A and B, and none of them. But if some of you will read this second word, which is thermometer, so you will place both A and B, but this is wrong. The answer is because laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of objects in your lab. So the answer is clinical thermometer. Next. So yes, here our test is done. You can see we got 16 out of 16 and we have taken 7.46 time, but we have done only half questions now. And you can again just from Diksha, so you can have this app from Diksha. I suggest you this app because this is very helpful app, and you can see the MCQs of every chapter in this app. So if this video is helpful for you, so do like, share and subscribe the channel and support me for more videos.